Whatever your hair goal is, if you start taking care of your hair today, by a few months to a year, you will be glad you did, because your hair will never remain the same. By now, you should know that you don't have to spend so much to grow out your hair. You can actually make everything from your home. I grew my hair to the length it is now using only DIYs. I don't buy any expensive product, I just make things myself. If you stop neglecting your DIYs and start valuing it, using it for your hair, you're going to see the results. Now, this is one of the DIY spray you can use to grow out your hair really fast. If you want the length, if you want your hair to thicken up, you have to use this. The first ingredient for this spray is garlic. Note, we are using only fresh ingredient, no powdered garlic. Everything has to be fresh to work. Garlic isn't just for seasoning food. It is surprisingly powerful when it comes to supporting hair growth, especially for textured hair like 4C that needs extra nourishment and scalp care. Let's break down exactly why garlic can help grow out your hair super fast. Garlic is packed with sulfur, one of the key building blocks for keratin, the protein that makes up the hair. Your hair is made up of keratin, and the sulfur strengthens the keratin bond. Stronger bond is equals to less breakage, thicker strands, and better length retention. So while garlic doesn't magically grow your hair overnight, it creates this perfect environment for stronger, long-lasting hair growth. Garlic contains a compound known as allicin, which improves blood flow to the scalp, help deliver oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicle, and it also wakes up the dormant hair follicle. Better circulation on your scalp means better nourishment, and better nourishment means faster, healthier hair growth over time. This is especially useful for your edges or your crown area, or any part of your hair you might be experiencing thinning. A major hidden cause of hair loss is scalp issues like dandruff, fungi, or inflammation. Garlic acts as a natural antifungal agent, antibacterial treatment. This means that it reduces dandruff and itchiness, fights scalp infection, creates a healthy, clean environment for your hair to grow. The second ingredient is onions, the mighty onions. Before we get into the benefits of onions, let's talk more about the benefit of using garlic on your scalp. If your scalp isn't healthy, growth will always be slow, and garlic will help you fix that. That is to say, if you're experiencing stagnant growth, like your hair has stopped growing, garlic is something you should run to because it is actually very effective. Garlic contains lots of vitamins and nutrients such as vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. It also has vitamin B6, it has magnesium, it has lots of nutrients, so you shouldn't sleep on it. It can help you strengthen your hair root, reduce excessive shedding, protect your follicle from oxidative stress and damages from free radicals. Using garlic on your hair alone has helped people with alopecia. Now, before we get into the second ingredient, which is the onions, let's talk about the last ingredient, which is the avocado seed. A lot of people don't know that they can actually utilize avocado seed to make themselves a powerful hair care treatment. But don't worry, I'll tell you all about it in this video. Avocado seed is one of the most underrated natural ingredients people often throw away, yet it contains a surprise concentration of compound that can help support hair growth, scalp health, and overall health strength, especially for textured hair like 4C hair that thrive on rich, nutrient-dense care. Avocado seed is packed with polyphenols and antioxidants. And you know other herbs that is equally packed with polyphenol and very good for hair growth. Herbs such as thyme, rosemary, sage, peppermint, clove, cinnamon, green tea leaves. All of these has polyphenol and they are very good for hair growth. The polyphenol and antioxidant content in avocado seed are often more concentrated than the flesh itself. Your scalp and hair is constantly exposed to oxidative stress such as pollution, the sun, and product buildup. This stress damages the hair follicle and slows your growth. Antioxidants in avocado seed can help neutralize the free radicals. This results to healthier hair follicle, reducing premature hair thinning, stronger and healthier hair strands. When using sprays, oils, or scrub, avocado seeds slightly stimulate your scalp, encouraging blood flow. This is very important because blood flow carries the oxygen and nutrients your scalp needs to thrive. More circulation means faster and stronger hair growth. This works similarly with ginger or peppermint, but in a more gentle way. It is also a DHT blocker. One of the major causes of hair thinning is DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to hair loss. Avocado seed contains a compound that can help reduce the impact of DHT on the hair follicle. This makes it very useful for edge thinning, crown thinning, or stress-related shedding. Avocado seed is actually a game changer that people overlook, and I will start incorporating it more in my DIY recipes. Avocado seeds contains healthy fats, fiber compounds, and minerals. This helps coat the hair strands, improve hair strength and elasticity. It helps reduce breakage, which is critical for length retention. For fussy hair, this is a big deal because growth is often happening, but breakage hides the progress. This is why most people will say their hair is not growing, but in the real sense, your hair is growing, just that it is constantly breaking, so you don't notice the difference. Avocado seed also contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory property, which can help reduce dandruff, calm itchy scalp, and prevent buildup. Avocado seed can be used as a scrub. It helps gently exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and product buildup. A clean scalp will always be a better hair growth environment. If you have inflammation on your scalp, your hair growth rate reduces drastically. Avocado seed will help calm the irritation on your scalp, reduce redness and sensitivity, and also support long-term follicle health. If you use avocado seed on your hair consistently, you will notice hair density appearance, meaning your hair becomes thicker. It will also strengthen your hair from root to tip. Your hair starts looking fuller and healthier. And this is not because it instantly grows hair overnight. No, it doesn't. But because it protects the already existing hair and optimizes your scalp condition. I have gone on and on with the benefits of the avocado seed. I hope I've been able to convince you to stop throwing it away and actually put it into good use. Now, let me explain the preparation process. Even though you have watched it, some people will still be confused. So let me explain it step by step. We use the total of 3 ingredients in this recipe: and onions and 3 cloves of garlic with 1 avocado seed. To start off, you have to peel the garlic and onions and then wash it thoroughly. After that, you cut it into smaller pieces. For the avocado seed, peel off the back and then wash it. After washing, get a grater and grate it. So you can either cook this or blend it together and strain it. For this video, I chose to cook it because I am trying to compare the 2 methods to know which one is better. To cook this, just put all your ingredients in a pot and pour in 2 cups of water. So you're supposed to cook this on a low heat for 5 minutes. Once it starts to boil, put it off. With this combination, you don't have to worry about smelling like an onions or garlic because it doesn't actually smell. Once it starts to boil, put it off and then let it cool off. It should be cooled off completely before you strain. Ensure you strain this properly to take out all the avocado seed particles. You don't want to have them in your hair. And that is basically it. One of the everyday healthy spray you can use to grow out your hair super thick. When I mean everyday, you can spray this on your hair as much as you want. This can be used by both male and female, and you can also use it for your toddlers. You can use this as a final rinse. You can use it for your everyday moisturization. Instead of using plain water, option out for this. With this spray, you have your scalp protected. You have your scalp stimulated. There's blood flow in your scalp. You will experience reduced shedding. Your hair will not be shedding a lot. You will also notice that your strands become stronger. It breaks less. You will also notice that your scalp becomes a lot cleaner. This combination is a hidden gem for natural hair growth, especially when you use it consistently. Someone said I shouldn't be talking too much, so I'll briefly tell you why I decided to add onions into this. Aside rosemary, onions is one of the most powerful hair growth remedy, the most talked about natural remedy for hair growth. It might not have a pleasant smell, but when you understand what it actually does to your scalp and inside your hair follicle, it will make a lot of sense to you. You will understand why people actually use it, even though they end up smelling like an onions. The first reason I added onions to this spray is that onions has lots and lots of sulfur content. This strengthens the internal structure of your strands, reducing hair breakage and split end. It improves your hair thickness over time. It helps you retain length, especially for fussy hair. It makes your hair harder to break. This makes your hair grow faster because you are actually keeping the length. Onions is one of the powerful natural hair stimulants which increases blood flow to your hair roots, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your follicle. It helps awaken slow and dormant hair follicles. This is one of the reasons people use it. It actually guarantees faster hair growth. I'm going to stop with the onions here. So the last thing I need to do is to actually lock in all the moisture by using the butter we made in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, the link will be in the description box. Now let me know if you're going to try it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, and drop a comment. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.